So it looks like at least one of the fire trucks just left the Grande Bibliotheque, so we'll see if the other ones leave. But yeah, it looks like whatever caused the alarm to go off was not a very serious problem. It was either an accidental alarm or, you know, maybe a false one. At least that's how it looks. Can't be 100% sure, but one thing's true though, it wasn't a fire drill. It wasn't a practice run. This was a case of some kind of actual alarm, but apparently not one that requires any real intervention by the fire department. They are showing up and just verifying the situation, whatever it may be. So that's it. They're leaving. I don't know if they're going to let people back into the library soon. But, it's pretty strong lighting contrast situation going here with the sun directly facing the lens. But yeah, it looks like the fire trucks are all on their way. And so we're left with a crowd of people hanging around outside the Grande Bibliotheque. It's just a question, I guess, of when they'll reopen.